big picture, what we really wanted to achieve was, number one, ease of access, right? Posting journal entries, posting invoices, making it simple to just, use the system. Number two was financial reporting, right? And I would say those two are checked off the list. And number three, and that's sort of, we sort of said when we started, hey, we're going to try to walk before we run. And I can tell you right now, we're doing a pretty brisk jog, but I'm excited to see what sort of external tools we can attach to Sage Intacct, whether it's our EMR, our banking partners, our payroll provider. So that's sort of the final last check to cross off the bucket list. We've already made an improvement in efficiency, but I still think there's more efficiencies to be had. And I love a challenge, and I love crossing things off my to-do list. So sort of we won't slow down until we're at a full sprint. So one of the things that happened with Sage 100, and it was probably just decades, I say decades plural, of data sort of layer and layer on top of each other. The water got muddy as to what's a location, what's a department, right, within the cost centers within Sage 100. So some of that, the objectives we wanted to achieve is we wanted to be able to look at, okay, what is our profitability by location? What is the profitability of our ancillary revenue streams? By ancillary, I mean, our durable medical equipment, our occupational therapy, our physical therapy, our MRI revenue, our X-ray revenue. How can we report on those efficiently to be able to track profitability, to be able to make business decisions going forward? The biggest probably outcome that we wanted to achieve was putting in our physician compensation model into Sage Intacct. And I think some CFOs would say, you're crazy. Why don't you just use Excel? It's easier to customize it within there. And I will say to all of them, Sage Intacct can do whatever you want it to do. We were able to, by using the dynamic allocations function, we were able to, not only are we creating the compensation model with financials, but we're doing it with debits and credits. We're not making topside adjustments to the comp model. It is truly debits and credits where there is a paper trail, and you can see costs being allocated from one provider to another or one department to another, and being able to see that. And actually, for someone who's doing accounting for the better part of a decade now, I love the fact that I can see the debits and the credits. So the reports that we now have, so I think it's 3 clicks and the report's up on my right screen. And I love also in the reports, there's the drill down ability, right? I can pull up the income statement of a physician on my computer, and within 3 clicks, I can be at the general ledger detail and showing him or her exactly what sort of rolls up into that account within the report center. But on my practice analysis dashboard, I have the total visits from the prior month, right? So I have now incorporated statistical journal entries to track metrics outside of debits and credits within the system, which I didn't even know was possible until learning about Sage Intacct. I know how many surgeries were done last month. I know what our total revenue was by department, by location, compared to the prior month. And then I do have a view where I have a real in-time sort of analysis of expenses that we've paid during the month. I have an income statement embedded into my practice analysis dashboard. So as I have my morning cup of coffee, I know exactly how much we've spent so far in the month.